Hello, gardening friend.
I wanted to save my pepper plant through these 2 freezing nights that we had. They were super early, and we might not get another freeze for a month. So I'm hoping these peppers that are on here will have time to mature and ripen. So let's see if my method worked, or if this fried them because it got too hot yesterday, because I left it on for like 2 days. So yeah, I mean, I don't know if that's from the cold or from the heat. I wouldn't be surprised if that's from the heat. But see, there's still peppers on here. So I think this is gonna recover if it stays warm. And there's still some more peppers that are gonna grow. And I put a bucket of water here to sort of hold the temperature, keep it more constant and not dip down way below freezing. So we got down to like 27. So definitely killed some things. Like it over there, well, I'll walk over there and show you. Killed my cucumbers. I had some late season cucumbers planted here. So definitely killed them. But like I said, we might not get any more cold weather for quite a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if this will recover and let some of these peppers mature. It still has blooms on here too. Let me know how your crops did in that cold surge.
Before you go, check out this video I made of my cayenne pepper harvest and how I turned it into a dry powder. Get out in your garden and go grow.